So once you've signed into Quaver, on the student dashboard, go to Creatives and then to QStrum, which is the guitar looking one. In QStrum, you have the choice of what kind of guitar to use. So the beginner one, you only use the bottom 3 strings closer to your toes, and it's a 1-finger chord. So you can choose which one looks the most accessible to you. And there are 2 pages of chords. For a full chord, you go to Acoustic and then choose the chords according to the ones that are most accessible. Some of them are harder. D minor for me is a hard chord to use. E minor is actually pretty easy. F major is pretty tough. So these numbers down here tell you what finger to use. So 1 is your index finger, 2 is your tall finger, and 3 is your ring finger. So you choose what chord you want. I'm going to go with E minor, and then choose your strumming pattern that you want. So there are lots of different strumming patterns. If you just want quarter notes, that's the easiest one to do, and you just pull it up to the top. And I'm going to mix it up a little bit. You have 4 measures on a page, but you can make more measures if you want. But what I would do to just begin is really simple. And when you press play, the image will show you what the strumming pattern is and everything. If that's too fast, you can change the tempo to largo, which makes it a slower tempo. So you can adjust it how you want and how is most helpful to you. It's a very, very cool app. Also, if you have a ukulele, you could do ukulele. I wouldn't recommend rock and jazz guitar for beginners, just because the chords are a little more confusing, but hopefully that will be helpful. Also, if you have an app, there's an app called 4 Chords, and it does the same thing. There's a free version of it with a trial, and it's real songs that you can play along with. So it's pretty fun. I'll put that into